Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Trends YouTube channel. I am Dharma. Friends, do you want to make big money in the stock market by investing? Then this video is for you. So please watch this video till the end. In this video you will get to know two multi-bagger stocks for 2021. Friends, they are technically and fundamentally strong stocks which will give you tremendous returns in long term. So friends, still these stocks are to be bought on every decline. Let's get into it. First company is Ramco System. Let's see the fundamentals of this company. This company is a software company which is from booming IT sector. You know, IT sector is in boom now, and it's a small cap company. Very bullish stock, closed at 701 today. And let's see strong performance. The stock with consistent financial performance, quality management, strong technical momentum indicating good investor enthusiasm, currently valued at good to expensive valuation. So this company is small cap with 2152 crores of the market cap. Price to book is bit higher than 3, but it's good. Return on equity should be more than 10, but because of the sector this is also considered. And year to performance, if you see 3 times of the value, in 1 year time it has become 3 times, which is 310%. Net profit is 10 crores. Net sales compare with the market cap is good, and debt to equity also very good, which is under 2 point. Some of the good things about this company, the promoter shareholding is more than 50%, that is close to 55%, which is good. They will be responsible about the company management and etc. FII and FPIs are increasing their shareholding. It's a new 52-week high. Growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter on quarter. Company with low debt, that is very good. Increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Increasing profits every quarter for the past 2 quarters again. Strong cash generating ability from core business. Improving cash flow from operation for the last 2 years. Book value per share improving for last 2 years. Company with zero promoter pledge, which is very good. Stock gained more than 20% in 1 month, good. Companies with raising net profit margins quarterly as well as TTM basis. TTM basis means the profit margin increased every quarter compared with the last year. Let's see price movement. It's a bullish. The moving averages momentum is above short, medium and long term. And this stock price is away from 52-week low about 10 times, which is 995%, and just away from the high 52-week high is about 10-11% only. It is an outperformer compared with Nifty. Nifty is 7.65%, but this one is close to 16% in 1 month time. And if we see in 1 week, it has pulled back, which is good to take an entry now. And in 1 month's time, it has performed 15.73. In 3 months, close to 37%, and year to date is 17%. And in 1 year time, 3 times about 310%. In 3 years time, 28%. So that is also good to invest right now. Let's see the technical performance and its near-term targets. Friends, this is Ramco Systems technical chart. If you see here, it has given breakout upside one, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, which is a reversal pattern, that, and it's away from high, now closed at 701. and my target for this is around 1100 rupees, which is around 57% from now. So friends, that is absolutely near term target, 1100. So you keep investing in the stock on every decline. Now you can see here in past 3-4 days it has consolidated and pulled back. Any day, today or tomorrow, in a couple of days it will start raising again, and it will go to 1100, and beyond. Even this company is going to outperform in long term. Please keep investing. So let's see another company now. Friends, if you would like to know more profitable stocks like this, make sure to stay connected with our YouTube channel as well as free Telegram channel, where I give regular updates. If this is the first time you are watching my video, then please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest videos. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and your valuable comments. Another stock, Jubilant Life Sciences. I have given this stock's investment call back in July 2020 as a bonanza stock with a 25% target for 1 to 2 months time frame, and it has achieved target in 20 days itself, which can be tracked in our Telegram channel as well. Friends, let's see fundamentals of this company. This company is a drug based company, safe bet from pharma sector, which is also in a boom because of the COVID situation, and it's a mid cap company. Very bullish stock, closed at 1002 rupees in NSE, and it's a strong performer. Stock with consistent financial performance, quality management, strong technical momentum indicating good investor enthusiasm, currently valued at good to expensive valuation. Anyways, it's a mid cap company with 15,963 crores, and price to book is good, 2.85. Return on investment, which is very good, 16. Year 2 performance is 78, and net profit is 898 crores. Net sales compared with mid cap is very good. Debt to equity also is absolutely great. And few good things about this company: the promoters shareholding is about 50.68%, which is good, more than 50. FIS shareholding is around 26%. It's near 52-week high. Growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter on quarter. Book value per share improving for the last 2 years, good. Company with zero promoter pledge, very good. Stock gain more than 20% in 1 month. Strong momentum. Price above short, medium and long term moving averages. Negative to positive growth in sales and profit with strong price movement, which is good. Highest recovery from 52% low. That's great. Let's see price movement. It's a bullish momentum. Compare with moving averages. The price is above short, medium and long term, which is very good. Away from 52 weeks low is about 3 times, 327%, and away from 52 week high is just under 1%, is very close to that, and it's an outperformer when compared with Nifty, about 24%, whereas Nifty is 7.65% in 1 month time. In this week it has gained about close to 7%, 1 month time 24%, close to that, and in 3 months time you can see 41%, year to date 18.62%, in 1 year time around 79%, and in 3 years an average 25.56%. Let's see the technical performance and its near term targets. Friends, this is Jubilant Life Sciences chart pattern. If I draw a trend line here, you can see it is also having a great pattern, inverse head and shoulder, and it has given breakout upside, and back in July it was somewhere okay, this year, yeah, here around here somewhere I have given for the target of this one. After then it consolidated and pulled back. In between it did nothing and has formed the right shoulder, and now it has given a breakout outside, and I'm expecting its target around 1500 upside, which is around 50% from now. You can accumulate on declines this stock, and this can give us multi-bagger returns in long term. So friends, accumulate this stock on every decline. So friends, if you like this video, please give your valuable comments, thumbs up, and share among your friends and family, which will give us a motivation to make more profitable videos. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will benefit from this video. See you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.